You're walking along the sidewalk, you trip, you fall, and you hurt yourself. But there's no one around to see it. And you think to yourself, do I have a case? Hi, my name's Jonathan Macri, and I'm here to tell you that, yes, even though no one was around to see you fall, you may very well still have a case. You just tripped and you fell, and you see that maybe something was wrong with the sidewalk that you were walking on. One of the panels was raised, or maybe a piece of the sidewalk was cracked. And then the next thing you do is look around and you see, did anybody look and see it? And you can't see anybody. Well, that's okay. You may still have a valid claim against whoever was responsible for that problem with the sidewalk. And the reason that you may still have a valid claim is that you may not be the first person who tripped and fell on that sidewalk. Now, a lot of times when there's a crack in a sidewalk, or like I said, maybe one of the panels is raised higher than the next, or even maybe a subway grate is a little bit out of place, many times that situation in that sidewalk or that subway grate or even in a street has been previously documented before you ever walked down that street or that sidewalk the day you fell. And those documentations, they get recorded, and they're kept in records in the town or city or municipality that you live in. And when those things get recorded, there's a name for that. It's called notice. And what that means is it makes that town or city or village or wherever you live aware that, you know what, there's a problem with this part of the sidewalk or this part of the street that I just walked down. Now, that doesn't happen every time, and a lot of times something that you may see as a problem with the sidewalk or street may not actually be something that's valid enough to start a claim with. But a lot of times the opposite is true. And that's why, sure, nobody may have seen you fall the day that you had your accident, but someone may have seen that problem far before you ever decided to walk down that street or that sidewalk that day. What do you do? Well, here's what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to call me. Once again, my name is Jonathan Macri, and I am an attorney with Waichman, and I speak to people every day about trips and falls that they had, and a lot of those times where I speak to those people, there was not a single person that witnessed their accident. Now, I know you have a lot of questions, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to answer those questions. So once again, my name is Jonathan Macri, and I'd love for you to give me a call.